If you've ever dreamed of an adventure on the road through some of the most beautiful parts of South Africa, this is it. We've spent the past 4 years exploring towns across our incredible country. More than 600 of them, but there's one very popular and special route that connects 26 of these places, and it's called Route 62. Some of the towns are very well known and others not. In this 5-part series, we're going to show you all these places, starting from Port Elizabeth, officially known as Kareedouw, all the way to Cape Town. So join us and enjoy planning your adventure. Good morning.
Port Elizabeth is nestled along the shores of Algoa Bay on South Africa's southeast coast. While Route 62 doesn't technically begin here, for most road trippers heading west, this is where the adventure starts. Courtyard, we've stayed here a few times. Beautiful place.
Yeah, it is. It's a smart hotel, eh?
Oh, I love it. Look how pretty it looks.
Yes.
Known affectionately as the Friendly City, this vibrant coastal hub blends laid-back charm with urban energy. It's the 6th largest metro in the country and includes the neighbouring towns of Uitenhage and Dispatch. This city is a beach lover's paradise with the warm Indian Ocean waters and sunny skies, which make it a year-round destination for swimming, surfing, sailing, or simply relaxing by the sea. Rich in culture and history, the city celebrates its past while embracing the future. The old city corners, warm hospitality, stunning scenery, and a laid-back charm keep visitors coming back. St. Augustine's Catholic Cathedral.
Oh, it's a cathedral, all right.
It's a cathedral, all right. Oh, it is stunning. Okay.
That's different.
Minibuses.
This is where the minibuses come to die.
Looks pretty, eh?
Oh, very.
With PE's City Buzz behind you, the road quickly transforms. It's no longer about the N2, it's about finding your way through places that don't shout, and that's when you reach Jeffreys Bay.
Welcome to Jeffreys Bay, or as the locals call it, J Bay, one of South Africa's most iconic coastal towns. Famous for its surfing, yes, but there's something more here. The rhythm of the place, the friendliness of the shops and cafes, and that constant scent of ocean in the air. Stopping here at Jeffreys Bay offers an unforgettable slice of the Eastern Cape's coastal magic. J Bay is a haven for beach lovers and ocean adventurers. Of course, no visit to Jeffreys Bay would be complete without talking about surfing. Home to world-renowned breaks like Kitchen Windows, Surfers Point and the legendary Super Tubes, J Bay has earned its place among the top 10 surf spots on the planet. Every year the town welcomes the best of the best for the Billabong Pro Surfing Competition, where powerful swells and perfect tubes challenge even the most experienced riders. We spoke to a lady and she said Super Tubes is where the big surfing normally takes place. So this is it. Jeffreys Bay Caravan Park.
Right on the ocean, hey?
Wow.
That's fantastic. It's the vibe.
Yep.
Braai vleis, bootjie kos.
Yeah. Jeffreys Bay is more than a destination. It's a rhythm, a lifestyle, and a feeling. Whether you come for the surf, the sand, or the stunning natural beauty, you'll find something here that speaks to your soul and makes you want to stay just a little longer.
And it's a gorgeous day now.
Wow, this really turned out beautiful. From the salty breeze of Jeffreys Bay, you head inland, just a short drive to a quieter, often overlooked town. It may not have the waves, but it has a rhythm all of its own.
Not far from J Bay, Humansdorp often gets overlooked, but that's a mistake. Nestled at the foot of the Kareedouw Mountains, it's a town that blends the pulse of modern living with the charm of a bygone era. Many say this is where the famed garden route truly begins. It's more than a stop on the way to somewhere else. This town has a personality all its own. Electrical wholesalers and houses. Are these houses?
Yes.
Founded in 1849 as a small service centre for the surrounding farming community, Humansdorp has grown into a bustling town. It remains something of a hidden gem, often passed by but well worth the detour. The streets are lined with a mix of old and new, and the warm, welcoming feel of a close-knit community still lingers in the air. The town's residential streets are lined with trees that were planted before the First World War. Humansdorp may not shout for attention, but that's part of its appeal. So, if you're passing through, take the turn-off, discover a town that's both grounded and growing. Leaving Humansdorp behind, the landscape begins to change. The mountains start creeping closer and the road feels a little more remote. That's when you know you are on your way to Kareedouw.
Tucked up against the towering Tsitsikamma and Ziranais mountains, like it's trying to stay hidden, a place where nature, heritage and history come together in one unforgettable stop along Route 62. Its name, Kareedouw, comes from the Khoi phrase meaning path by the karee trees, and that meaning feels just right. This is a place shaped by paths through forests, across mountains, and through time itself.
Look at the little monument.
The Kareedouw municipality. There's nothing written on it. Oh, there it is. Oh yes, 1988, I was wrong. 1838 to 1988. Fantastic.
So it's a little ox wagon and that must be a rim.
Today, Kareedouw is a small but thriving community where the economy still revolves around what it always has, the land. At the center of town stands the Dutch Reformed Church, a striking stone building that reflects the town's early settler heritage. Next to it, you'll find a memorial garden where former South African Prime Minister John Vorster is buried.
Wow, there it is. Balthazar Johannes Vorster was born on the 13th of December 1915 and passed away on the 10th of the 9th, 1988.
At the heart of the town stands a statue of a woodcutter, a tribute to the generations of workers whose hands helped shape the region's forestry legacy. It's a simple but powerful monument to a life lived close to the land.
And the woodcutter statue, it's right next to the Sweaty Dutchman.
What a name, I love it.
Coffee shop and bistro, they make pancakes here.
Dutch pancakes, no less,
That must be nice.
because they are the Sweaty Dutchman.
Yeah,
I like Kareedouw,
I do as well.
I must say.
Kareedouw may not be a major destination on its own, but it's the kind of place that leaves an impression, quiet, grounded, and full of stories. It invites you to slow down, look closer, and appreciate the path you're on. Whether it's a road trip, a hiking trail, or simply a moment of stillness beneath the mountains.
You know, for the most part, they're intact. Eh?
They're beautiful. They are stunning.
From here, the road leads deeper into the Langkloof. The traffic fades, the mountains stand taller, and just like that, you roll into the quiet beauty of Twee Riviere.
Oh, wow. That is too cute. Oh,
He's very cute, eh?
the name Twee Riviere rolls off the tongue slowly, just like life does here. 1765 to 2015. Incredible.
From the one side to the other side, there's just these magnificent buildings.
Surrounded by apple orchards and farm roads, this is one of those places where you don't need to do anything, just be there. This picturesque town is crisscrossed by an old world aqueduct system that still delivers fresh mountain water to every home, a nod to its farming roots dating back to 1752. It's peaceful, authentic, and feels almost untouched by time. We loved it. Pretty houses these,
Yeah.
eh? Set in the scenic Langkloof Valley along Route 62, this town is enveloped by lush valleys, waterfalls and towering peaks. It's the perfect stop to pause, breathe in the crisp country air and take in the peace and quiet. They had tiny homes back then already. Oh, look at that.
Woodlands cabin.
Love it. What? They live in that little cabin?
Yes.
That's
Man,
too cute.
oh man.
Adventurers can take on hiking trails, quad biking, abseiling, or 4x4 routes in the nearby Kareedouw Mountains. The region is part of the Cape Floral Kingdom, with fynbos and the famously healthy honeybush plant growing abundantly. From the coastline to the heart of the Langkloof, the journey so far has been a mix of sea air, small town charm and mountain roads, and we're only just getting started. In the next part, we continue deeper into the valley. See you then.